So if you want to learn how to sell shoes on StockX in 2026, yeah, this is the full step-by-step guide to list your sneakers, ship them safely, and get paid without stress. First, StockX is a resale marketplace. You sell your shoes, ship them to StockX, and they authenticate everything before paying you. Next, go to StockX and create your account using email, Google, or Apple ID. Make sure your profile details are correct. Now search for the exact shoes you want to sell. Select the correct model, color, and size so your listing matches the market. Before selling, check the highest bid and lowest ask. This helps you understand the current market value of your shoes. Now you can either click Sell Now for instant sale or set your own asking price if you want more profit. Once listed, wait for a buyer to match your price or accept your offer. StockX will notify you when it sells. After the sale, pack your shoes carefully in the original box if possible and ship them using the label provided by StockX. Next, StockX checks your shoes for authenticity and condition before sending them to the buyer. Once everything is verified, you get paid directly to your bank or PayPal account. Finally, always check demand, sell popular sizes, and avoid overpricing if you want faster sales. And that's it. That's how you sell shoes on StockX step by step in 2026.